Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and I'm back with a very quick Dollar Tree haul, if you can say. This is going to be a short, just because I wanted to show off these new items. Remember, guys, I had just mentioned that, and I believe I linked it in my last haul video, the Bargain Bethany craft, Halloween craft decor that she's already putting out with some really cute skeletons. And I couldn't find what this is what the tool that she used. They're paper towel holders. So she used it, and finally they brought them at my local branch. Like I said, sometimes they're there, sometimes they're not there. So I did pick up two. Now I just have to figure out how to use the LED lights that I already bought that look like long candlesticks. But for Halloween, come on, anything's doable with those long LED lights, candlesticks. I bought another box of Scotty's tissues because I do enjoy them. They still haven't brought the bigger, higher count, but again, I prefer them because they're soft to the touch. This is new, and this might help with the DIY that I'm doing. I'm thinking about doing another mask, and I'll refer to you my last video where I talk about my last DIY project where I was able to do the Scarlet Witch's crown, and I link below the source. So this might help me. This is technically for like hair care. It's in their hair care line, and I think it's like perhaps if you're fixing your own hair, perhaps using a lace front wig. But I like this needle point hook that you can see, which I think will come in handy, and a nice little pretty pink comb. So again, this is available in their hair care section. And also I was able to pick up another pack of their elastic salon quality, hair grabs, clasp for free. Again, they do pull on the hair, but in a tight bind if you're just heading to the beach or the pool and you don't have access to now a scrunchie. These are great, fine for $1.25. These are like their typical ribbons, really pretty, and they come in an assortment of colors. But yeah, if you don't find these, which is rare because they bring them often at my local branch, you can pick up these elastic hair ties. So with that, y'all, I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment below which of the items that really stand out to you or you wouldn't buy. Let us know. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like what you see, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, haul, and review. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.